Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show. And we're moving right along with our Christmas Spectacular. That's videos every single day until Christmas Day 2025 at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe. And click the bell notification if you would like to know when I go live doing my live streams, where I basically critique other cooking videos. Okay, today we have shrimp cocktail with a chili horseradish sauce. This is a real easy recipe to make. Again, perfect for a Christmas party or that office potluck. All right, in a bowl, a small bowl, we have a half a cup of chili sauce. Followed by a tablespoon of lemon juice. Followed by a tablespoon of horseradish sauce. Don't worry, this is real easy to do. And this isn't a recipe that you can get the kids involved with because there's no cooking. It's shrimp cocktail. And a half teaspoon of ground mustard. Then a half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and of course, salt and freshly ground black pepper. Grab yourself a tiny whisk and whisk until everything is combined, making sure to get at least some of it on your hand. And then you just want to grab a little serving bowl and add some shrimps. I went with medium-sized shrimp. I think those are 6170s, but I could be wrong. And that's it. Shrimp cocktail with a chili horseradish sauce. Done.